Once upon a blustery fall day, a very practical witch decided she needed a change, and so she set out to transform her ordinary entry into something, well, extraordinary. She has always loved nature and wanted to bring her rather dark space some life with a fun topiary she has been growing since 1692. Well, not really that long, and honestly, it's not even real but something she created. If you'd like to see how it was made, she'll leave a link to that video below. Her toadstools, potion book, and miscellaneous wares all found a home in this wondrous space. She hummed a lovely tune to keep herself company as she whiled away the hours. Stems of berries and stalks of wheat were foraged from her gardens, if you're so inclined to believe. Old books are close companions of our practical witch, who loves to read all sorts of wondrous stories by candlelight. Pumpkins grow wild in her forest. Well, not really, and she loves to bring them into her home. And the crowning touch are mini witches' brooms, scented in apple and cinnamon. No practical witch's home is ever complete without a cauldron nestled over a roaring fire. There was a time she thought to create a spell that would keep her house clean and tidy without effort, but got waylaid by others living in her home, and so thought to create it another day. But that day most likely will never come. Even so, inside her iron pot, she had the makings of a love and kindness potion she hoped to one day share with others. At the end of the day, our very practical witch retired to her room, but not before thanking her visitors for bringing their light into her home this day. She wants you all to know that her kettle will be warm upon your return and wishes the little magics of the day to bring you comfort and joy. To take with you what serves you, leave behind what weighs heavy, travel light, walk steady, and may the earth be kind beneath your feet. She hopes you'll visit her again soon, as she has many more enchanting ideas headed your way. For now, she bids you farewell.